Hi Royals! It's Princessa. So for today's video, we are going to have our nighttime routine. Okay? So, nag-shower na ako. First thing that I will do is to cleanse my face. Pero nagilamas naman na ako. To-toner tayo. I use Medicube PDRN Pink Soothing Toner. Patay ng cotton rounds. I used to. And the next thing that I will do is I don't do any crazy nighttime routine or skincare routine. Actually, first time ko magta-try ng Beauty of Joseon. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, pero yeah. And meron dito. Actually, ang dami nilang freebies. Pero yung in-order ko is yung Revive Eye Serum, Glow Serum, Propolis plus Niacinamide, and yung Revive Serum nila na ginseng plus nail mucin or mucin, ginseng essence water. Hindi ko na muna gagamitin to kasi nag-toner na ako. And Glow Deep Serum. And Dynasty Cream. Ito daw yung pinakamagandang product nila, yung cream. Actually, kaya gusto ko siyang itry dahil dito sa Dynasty Cream natin. Yung coworker ko, kasi she has a very blooming skin. So, I'm very curious kung ano ba yung ginagamit niya. And she recommended this. And yeah. Day serum. So, hindi natin gagamitin to kasi sunscreen to. Yung iba kasi ginagamit nila. Nagsa-sunscreen din sila paggabi. But, I'm not gonna use it. Start tayo with... Ang dami. Gusto kong gamitin lahat. Ito yata yung in-order ko na dalawa. Yan. Yung magkasama na glow serum. Try natin tong... Gusto ko yung pink kasi ano niya. Katandem niya. Paggabi, usually ginagawa ko, nighttime routine ko, nagmamask ako pag minsan. Ganito. I have a Medicube mask. Pero dahil nakakamask ko lang kagabi, sabi kasi dapat 2 to 3 times a week ba to? Or just once a week lang? Okay, whatever. But I don't use it every night. So yeah, kakagamit ko lang yan kagabi. Oh my god, it's so hard to open. Kasi kakadating lang nito na ngayon. Yan. Yan siya. Buksan muna natin lahat. Dynasty Cream. Tignan natin yung website kung ano yung magkapareho. Ay, yung magkapartner. Ayan, tignan natin yung set. So, Dynasty Cream, sabi nila yung glass skin daw, dapat yung glow serum. So, tama yung binuksan ko. Tama yung binuksan natin, guys. So, ito yung gagamitin natin for tonight. So, ano ba sabi sa instruction? Apply 2 to 3 drops of serum onto the face and pat gently to help absorption. Okay. Hindi yung 2 to 3 drops. So, ilalagay na natin yung ating... Mag-a-apply na ako ng eye cream. Itong Revive Eye Serum. So skinny. Dispense an appropriate amount of serum and apply evenly around the eyes. Ano kasi sabi niya? Oh my god, nakalimutan ko yung sinabi niya. Appropriate amount. Okay. Dati, gumagamit ako ng Medicube. Kaya may mga Medicube products pa ako na natira. So, ngayon gusto kong try yung Beauty of Joseon. Joseon? Patuyuin mo natin siya ng konti. And then, minsan naggaganto rin ako. Eye mask. Ayan. Since naglagay na tayo nito. Tignan mo natin yung effect niya pag ito lang na nilagay. Okay. I think my skin is ready for the final step. So, after nun, yung Dynasty Cream. Dynasty Cream. Ano ba sabi? Spread a generous amount onto your face at the last stage of your skincare routine. Pat gently to aid absorption. So, sabi niya, last part na daw. Meron siyang ganyan. So, let's take it off. Yan. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna do this off camera. Kagatin ko to. Okay, generous amount. Dagdagan natin. Very smooth. Actually, wala silang mga scent. Hindi sila scented. Kahit yung serum is not scented. Itong cream, no, wala siyang amoy, pati yung eye cream. Very clean. For me, my final step sa aking skincare routine, sabi sa inyo, very simple lang. So, ilang products lang yung 4. Toner, serum, eye cream, and face cream. Tapos, I want to end my skincare with a Summer Friday lip butter balm. Make sure that my lips is taken care of too. It came pala with freebies. So freebie ito. This is an essential kit travel kit. So meron siyang, so cute, right? Inside, nakaganyan siya. Kita mo ba? Pull it up. Looks like this. Sabi sa box, meron siya dapat Green Plum Refreshing Cleanser, Glow Replenish Rice Milk Toner, Dynasty Cream, Revive Cream, and yung sunscreen. So, this is perfect. Parang alam nila magta-travel ako. Actually, ilalagay ko na siya sa bag. So cute. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. Isn't this the cutest? Compare dito. Oh, baby and mama. Oh, actually not. Kasi medicube yung isa. Perfect. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. Gusto niyo ba makita? Sige na nga. Buksan na natin. Ito, freebie din to. This is a freebie. Tong Glow Dip Serum. Glow Dip Serum din ba siya? Oh no, that's Glow Serum. Okay. So, magkaiba sila. Glow Serum, Glow Dip. Ito yung free, yung Glow Dip. And, oh my gosh. Nakakalimutan kong pakita. Okay. Alrighty. That's all na nasa box ko. Pag gusto mo malaman. Charis. Ayan. Dahil lagi ako nagja-gym, mayroon akong iniinom paggabi na really help my muscle to recover. Especially my legs kapag leg day. It really helps me sleep at night. Tsaka yung pamumulikat. This really helps me. Itong magnesium blend. Actually, I'm not an expert on this. Or minsan, ako iniinom ko itong ashwagandha before I go to sleep. That's the end of my night routine. Take care, Royals. Bye.